guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So in today's video, we are gonna get this free green animal. So I'm gonna show you how to get it. First, you open home and then search mansion of one. You search this and then you tap this one. And then you tap the green one. Okay, so we go here. Okay, so we go to this. So we tap this rock. And then the code is Glimmer. Here. Okay. And then you tap this one. Oh, no, sorry. You tap this one. Oh, I'll try again. Cleaner, and then tap this. Oh my god. I think there's something error. Okay, it's successful redeem. And then we leave. And then you open your profile. Okay, you open your profile. And then you go to accessories and you tap head. And done. You got this green animal in your head. Bye bye guys. See you next time. Peace.